my channel and that didn't go very well, did it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Makeup Monday. Ignore the Halloween in the background, I'm pre-filming this right now, so I'm really sorry. But today we are going to be doing a first impressions. It's not a first impressions at all, but it is a review video because I wanted to do a review video for you guys, and that's kind of what Makeup Mondays are all about. And it is on the Sleek Face Form contouring and blush palette. It's also got a highlight in it as well. I really like this. I've got the shade Light 373. I believe you can get this in like different different shades, but not like different shades as in dark, light, medium, like that kind of thing, if that makes sense. And I've got mine in light and it's really great. I really do like it. I think it's really good for like travelling to take about with you because it's not gonna like take up much space. It's even got this little mirror, and yeah, I think it's super cute and good. Let's get into it. I've already got my base on. I've got the Maybelline Fit Me foundation on, and yeah, I'm gonna just get straight into it. Ignore the eyebrows, I'm gonna be doing them soon, but for now let's just get this bad boy on the face. So I'm gonna go in and contour, and I'm using this makeup Real Techniques contour. It's actually called a contour brush, so that's pretty cool. That has come way too low. What am I doing with my life? So as you can see, it's a pretty good shade. It is slightly on the warmer side, but it's not too warm. It doesn't look warm in the pan at all. It's just coming off a little bit warm on my skin. But I don't mind it at all. And let's go in with the blush. Don't want to go too heavy, so I'm just doing it like a little bit at a time. It's really buildable blush, this as well, so it's not too like in your face. You can get away with like building it up, and it's not just gonna... What is going on with this camera? I feel like the lighting's really weird, you guys, and I'm not sure why. I've not got my ring light on at all, and I've actually got like my settings kind of like really down. But it's really bright and it's freaking me out a little bit. Not gonna lie. So I really like that blush. I think it's really nice wintry blush because it's like a rosy. I do like my pinkies, my pinks more for winter, and then like my peaches and like more bronzy ones for summer. And then let's go in with the highlight. Use a fan brush and see how that goes. Just because I can't find my other brush, which is really annoying, but ooh, that's pretty. It's a really good highlight, this as well. Just a little bit up there. Boom! Yes! Love it. Yes! Highlight is like life. Highlight and glitter. When it comes to my makeup, I like lots of highlight, and when it comes to my nails, I like lots of glitter. By the way, ignore my nails at the moment. I've just designed my next set, and they are literally all full glitter nails with some decals on. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, bomb.com. Don't know why it keeps going out of focus, it's really weird. Just a little bit on the nosy. And then I will just... Yes. Boom, I love it. So, I wanted... What is going on? I don't know what... Something's weird with the settings on this camera right now. I don't know what's going on. But, you guys, this is the result that I've got with the palette. It's all, other than like obviously foundation, it's all I've got on my face. It's everything. Bronze, contour, blush, highlight. It's everything. And it's so, like, look how small it is. Like, it's really, really small. Really, really travel friendly. But yet, you still get a really, really good size palette. Like, you can see that pretty much the whole of the palette is the products, if that makes sense. It's not like a really, like, the packaging's really good for the size of the products. Does it say 20 grams? I don't know if that's for everything. Like, that means nothing to me, if I'm being honest. So, but yeah. So you can get this in light, medium, dark, I believe. And like I've said, mine is the light one. And it's not too light. Like, I am very, very pale. But even if you're a bit dark, you could get away with this. You just go a bit heavier with your bronze and your contour. But even the highlight is a nice golden highlight. It's not like white or really pale or anything like that. So yeah, I just think the whole set, the whole thing is just super awesome. And I wanted to do a video for you guys. Really affordable. I think you can get this from Superdrug. I'm not sure if you can get sleek at Boots. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, check it out. You can get it online. You can get it in your store. Boom, 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 boom. I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. If you did enjoy it, please do hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for all your support. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.